Hola chicas, hoy vamos a estudiar un poco del dormitorio. We're going to have a look over mi dormitorio, my bedroom. Okay, hace 2 semanas, 2 weeks ago, we had a look at some of the las cosas en el dormitorio, some of the things in the bedroom. So today we're just going to have a little short look at donde está, where things go in your bedroom, like locations, so prepositions like under, above, underneath, on top of, to the left, to the right. Okay, so we're going to look at these super rápido. Okay, so sorry. So first one we've got here is delante de. So delante de means in front of. So see we've got el gato here and we've got la mesa. So you can see el gato está en delante de la mesa. It's in front of the table, okay? Next we've got here is we've got el gato está encima de la mesa. So here we've got encima de, which means on or above, okay? Next one we've got el gato está a la derecha de. So here we've got a la derecha de. So here we've got to the right of. So el gato está a la derecha de la mesa. Next one we've got here is el gato está detrás de. Detrás de means behind, okay? Behind the table. Detrás de, behind. The proximal we've got el gato está al lado de la mesa. So here we've got is beside. Al lado de here is beside, okay? Al lado de, beside. Next one we've got is el gato está a la izquierda de la mesa. So the cat is to the left. Izquierda de is to the left of it, so it's just opposite. So this one here is a la derecha de. This one here is a la izquierda de. El próximo, lo que tenemos es el gato está debajo de la mesa. So here we've got the gato is under, okay? Está debajo de la mesa. Okay, then the next one we've got is el gato está entre las mesas. So here we've got entre is it's in between. So entre las mesas. El gato está entre las mesas. Okay, so that was your gato. Okay, so now here's how you use your preposition. Okay, so here you go. So you got your furniture. So for instance, you got la lámpara. Then we're using this está. Now there should be an accent on that A, so just gonna put a little accent going this way on the A. Okay. So el gato está encima de la mesa. So this is your little kind of mathematical formula for using. So you got la lámpara está. Remember, there's an accent on that A. It's just missing. La lámpara está encima de la mesa. The lamp is on top of the table. Okay. So it's the piece of furniture está and your preposition, so it can be encima de, al lado de, a la derecha de, a la izquierda de, all those. So that's your little formula for using your things, okay? So first thing I want you to do is see these here. I just want you to put these into your vocabulary, into your cuaderno, into your copy. Delante de, encima de, a la derecha de, detrás de, al lado de, a la izquierda de, debajo de, and entre. That's the first thing I want you to do. I want you just to follow those into your vocab, into your cuaderno, into your copybook. Okay, so that's the first thing I want you to do. Okay. The second thing I want you to do is we're just going to have a switch now to the ladybug here. Okay, so the first thing I want you to have a look at is these are also done here. So we've got like el gato y la jaula. Jaula is a cage, so the cat and the cage, okay? So here we've got el gato está detrás de la jaula. The cat is behind the cage here. El gato está delante de la jaula. The cat is in front of the cage. Then we've got here el gato está al lado de la jaula. The cat is beside the cage, al lado de beside. Then we've got el gato está en la jaula. She's inside it. That's one that wasn't on our slides, okay? And el gato está entre. So entre is between. Then we got el gato está debajo. It's underneath, debajo de la jaula. And the last one, el gato está encima. So it's on top of, está encima de la jaula. Just the same, they're pretty much the same ones that we seen just a momentito ago. So the other thing I want you to have a look at is I want you to try these couple pictures here. Okay, so for instance, like here you've got this one here. You've got el lápiz, so you can say el lápiz está al lado del estuche. So the pencil is beside the pencil is beside the pencil case. This one here you can say el libro, which is the book. So you can say the book is on the table, okay, on top of the table. This one you can say the ruler, la regla. So la regla is in front of el bolígrafo. So that's your pen. So la regla está something, okay. You can say la silla, okay. The seat you can say is beside the table, la mesa, and then you can say la playa is something to the house. Beach, so la playa is the beach, okay. So you're chatting with, you can say la playa está delante, okay, or you can say anything beside. And remember, house in Spanish is la casa. So you just want to do those couple pictures as well. So the two things I want you to do, tres cosas para esta semana. Número uno, what I want you to do is I want you to write in all those prepositions into cuaderno, into your cuaderno. Número dos, I want you just to fill in these little couple of details about la regla. So you just fill them in. Just finish the sentence like el lápiz está al lado del estuche, beside the pencil case, okay. And then the last thing is I want to remember, revise your numbers 0 to 100 because you're going to have a test in those. Is that okay? Muchas gracias, chicas.